Learn how to convert a video file to audio using your cell phone or computer. It'll work both ways because we're going to do it online through a website, so you don't need to download any programs. It is quite simple. I am going to demonstrate how to do this at this very moment. You are going to open the browser on your phone and search for Cloud Convert on Google, just like you are currently observing, Cloud Convert. And you're going to click on the first search result. This here is one of the simplest websites there is for you to convert your video into audio. And you can convert not just videos that are on your phone, but also videos from the internet. So you can copy the link from a website, paste it here, and download only the audio if you want. He solely extracts the audio. How do you accomplish that? You choose the file format of the video you wish to convert. So currently most video formats utilize MP4. So you will search for it here. You will select the video file that you wish to convert, because here on the side it displays other file formats that you can also convert. So you choose the final option at the bottom here where it indicates video down here, and you search for the format of your video. If you encounter any issues or need assistance, feel free to ask for help. In this case, MP4. So I selected MP4, and what format do I want to convert to? I can convert even to other video formats, but in this case, we're going to convert to an MP3 audio. So I am going to select here on this left menu the audio option. So I click here on audio, and I'm going to put it in MP3. So I want to convert an MP4 video to MP3. You're going to click on the red button down here. In Select File, you can be selecting a video from your phone in the first option here, from my computer, which in this case would be from my computer, but in this case it's from the phone or from someone else. You can also put a link from a video that is in your Google Drive, in your Drive account, Dropbox or OneDrive. So I want a video from my phone. I'm going to select the first option here. I can open the file manager here to see the folders on my phone, go to the gallery and find the video, or open the camera and make a video now. That's what I'm going to do. This is simply a quick test video. All right, I have recorded it. I am going to click here on OK. The video has already appeared here for us. If you want, you can add more video files by clicking on this gray button that says Add More Files. Understood? If you want to change any audio output settings, you can click right here on this little tool and set up the output audio. I ain't going to do any of that, just going to click on Convert. So the video is being uploaded to the website and it's going to be converted. And right below here, our download option already appears in this little green button. You can hit play here to see how this audio turned out. As we can see, it worked. Click the green download button and it will be automatically downloaded to your cell phone, saved in the download folder of your phone. If you enjoyed this video, comment below if it was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tutorials like this one that you may have needed or still need. See you in the next video, and thanks.